So I'm gonna be 100% honest with you guys right now. This was not planned. I did not wake up today and decide, you know what, I'm gonna film the wrap reveal video today and I'm gonna put it up tomorrow. This was decided in the past 15 to 20 minutes. I went into the garage and I looked at the car under my garage lights and I was like, you know what? This looks so goddamn good. I can't wait any longer. I'm so anxious to show you guys. I'm so excited to show the world because I think it looks, okay, hear me out. I loved my white. The white looked so good on this car, but I was so bored of it. I've had, I think 3 or 4 like JDM cars that have been white and I'm just over the white. I wanted to switch it up. So I did just that. And I've just been so anxious and excited to show you guys. I haven't posted in a while because the car hasn't been done. We had to order more material. There was some setbacks with the wrap and getting everything done on time. And now everything is on schedule. Disclaimer, it's not done yet. When you guys see it right now, it's not done yet. I have 1 side skirt left. I have the 2 rear valances that need to be done. And then once those are done, I can put everything back on the car, assemble it, and then I can show you guys like the finished product. But just the car sitting as it is with the color on it, it just looks so goddamn good. So I hope you guys like it. I absolutely love it. And I've just been itching to show you guys. And I really, really wanted to wait until the car was fully done, fully assembled, with the right height set, and all the body panels on and everything. I just can't wait anymore. So without further ado, this is the new wrap for the Supra. Like I said, I love it. I hope you guys love it too. So I ended up going with Inazitech Super Gloss Blueberry Metallic, and it did not disappoint. I was so indecisive and so torn on what colors that I wanted to do. I could not decide. I was going between TinyBot, Inazitech, KPMF, 3M, all these brands, all these colors, and this one just stuck out to me. I really wanted a Royal Sapphire Pearl Supra from the beginning, but they're so incredibly hard to find. And if you get any other color, a windows out, full door jam, full paint job for a car is like 10 grand. And I couldn't afford that. So I was like, you know what? This is the closest thing that I've ever seen to Royal Sapphire Pearl on the Supra. So I went with this. And there's a couple benefits. Like, it does not look like wrap. When I tell you that it does not look like wrap, I am not joking. Like, if you didn't see like some of the corners and stuff, like it is so glossy. Like there's no texture in the film. It is just straight up gloss and color. It looks so good. Like you guys are gonna see it in the video right now, but if you were to see like the reflection of the sky and the mountains and everything right now with the sun, it looks like paint. It looks exactly like paint. And I partially expected that because I've read reviews. I've talked to people, they're like, Inazitech is the shit. I didn't really believe them. I saw a sample book and I still was a little bit but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna do it anyways. No matter what wrap I get, it's gonna be a wrap at the end of the day. It's vinyl. And I ended up choosing this, and I seen the wrap in person the first time, like the big roll, the 60-foot roll. And man, I was like, are you kidding? It looks like that. So I ended up doing this. I don't regret it at all. You can buff this wrap, which I think is super cool. If you get any like discoloration or heat marks or scratch marks or anything, you can just buff it out and it goes right back to being glossy. So that's the color that I chose. It's the Inazitech Super Gloss Blueberry Metallic. That's a mouthful. And I'm stoked with it. I ended up not wrapping the hood just because I feel like it goes so well with the carbon accents that you guys are gonna see on the bumper, on the skirts, and on my TRD wing back here. It just flows with the car. And I really was torn on what to do with the hood. I was gonna wrap it fully, I was gonna wrap it partially, just have this big vent exposed, or have all 3 of these vents exposed. But at the end of the day, I decided to just leave it carbon, because if I ever want to, I can just go back and wrap it. I can wrap it myself or bring it somewhere to get wrapped. Oh, damn, excuse me. But I ultimately decided to leave it carbon. I like the look of carbon hoods. I think it looks classy. I think it looks expensive, to be honest with you. But yeah, that's why I didn't wrap the hood. The color of the brakes with the color of this wrap is just, oh my God. The yellow and the blue together look fucking crazy. I got some people coming up right here. Let's see what they say. What's going on?
A lot of stuff
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I guess they want to look at the car. So let me go do that real quick. I'll be right back. So that got weird real fast. The dudes are super cool, but all of their buddies came down. I was talking to them, showing them the car. And I don't like talking. Well, I like talking to people. I don't like talking to a camera in front of people. It's very, very awkward for me. I'm so ready to put everything back on the car and see it complete, one piece. And I can't wait to show you guys. So the next video, the skirts will be going on, the front bumper will be going on, the valences will be going on. I gotta lower it back down just like maybe half an inch. And then it's done. The car is fully wrapped, it's done and ready to go. I'll be able to make some more content. I have a ton of stuff that I have planned for the car. I'm gonna be doing like full-time YouTube, full-time running my business, Kill Switch Motorsports. So you guys are gonna be seeing a lot more of me, a lot more of the car, a lot more of the shit that I'm doing. If I'm gonna take this stuff seriously, I gotta really commit a lot of time, a lot of effort, resources to it. I have that time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. That's it for now. Appreciate you guys watching. See you in the next one. Take care.